Oh no, I'm not interested. Thank you. Thanks. Have a good day. You're still here. Oh, you're here for the room tour. Well, I didn't really clean anything because I'm moving out in 3 days, but you know, just, I guess come in. Just don't give me any notice or anything. It's cool. No, it's cool. It's cool. Come on in. No, come on. Hello friends. This is the long-awaited room tour in my temporary living situation. I knew moving into this house that I was going to be moving out in like 3 months. I just helped my boyfriend finish up his lease, and we are now moving into a new home, and we will be there for a year, and then we'll be moving again. It's okay, it's cool, everything's fine. I am more excited about my new place and having a different layout. That's gonna be way more fulfilling to you guys than seeing the room that I'm currently in. I didn't buy any new decorations, I used what I already have. Hi, I forgot to mention that I decided to not film my home tour of my last home, the one you're currently seeing in this video, because I had no part in decorating it, so I did not find it fulfilling for you guys to see a home that I did not decorate. That is why I only showed my room, and I wanted to clear that up because I know I asked on Instagram if I should show a home tour and I never did. So that is why. It's a tiny space. I don't really have big linen closet space either, so you know, same situation, everything is shoved into my closet. So let's go peek through my stuff. This is what you see when you walk in. I use an over-the-door system. This is great when you have small spaces. It looks like shit, it looks cluttered, but it's really useful. So I have a lot of my reusable bags, my camera bag, purse, scarves, shit like that, you know? Here is, oh shit, you know, let's just display my very important personal information on the internet. This is a bulletin board of dreams that I have yet to put dreams on. Haven't gotten around to that. In the new place, I will. That is a like metal shaped moon. It was done by an artist in Boulder City. This is a picture of moi. My friend Amber took all the pictures of me that are in my room and she gives them to me as gifts. I'm not conceited. In fact, a lot of these don't even look like me. People are really shocked when they're like, is that you? Speaking of that, I have this lovely display of pictures that she took of me throughout our years of knowing each other. Each place we have really good memories together, and I think they're really pretty too. I have my closet. Okay guys, I didn't clean this, I did not organize this. In fact, I was too lazy to even declutter after moving in. I was like, no, like I'll get to this later. You know, I was very anti-minimalist in this room. Are you ready? Seriously, I didn't even fold my clothes nicely. I have shit shoved in crevices. Up here, I have some IKEA storage bins. Right here I have a closet organizer. This is really great if you don't have room for a dresser. Highly recommend. The one at the Container Store is the best quality over like any other one that I've seen. I hope you can see here. There's like these little built-in shelf things. This was so useful. I really am happy that these were in here. Let me talk about one of the most disappointing and what is that called? Oh my god, why am I blanking? Impulse purchases that I have made in 2019. And that is this shit, so it's hard to tell. It's a laundry hamper that I got from IKEA, and my dumbass thought it was just purely cotton. And I was like, this is perfect. Like, it fits kind of like weirdly into tight spaces. And then I open it and I hear this. You hear that? That's this like plastic material that they line this bag with. And my clothes don't breathe in this. So if I have one stinky gym sock, it ruins the whole pile. Everything's gonna smell. Don't recommend this. I should have returned it, but I was like too desperate, and I was like, oh, it shouldn't be that bad. I do my laundry pretty often. No. Even messier side. More shelves built in. Guys, I have some candles on one of these shelves here. I am down to 8 candles. This is a huge thing. If you guys have been following me since the beginning of my channel, you knew that prior to accomplishing a more minimal lifestyle, I used to own over 100 candles because I worked at Bath & Body Works. It was very easy for me to obtain free candles and get them on discount, and it was madness. This is the oldest item in my possessions, and this is my great-grandparents' picnic basket, and I really cherish this. Anyways, can you see I've got my shoes down here and a bunch of school paperwork. Unfortunately, I still have to keep a majority of my school stuff because I'm a student and it sucks. Hi, this is a weird angle. This is a little IKEA shelf thing, bookshelf thing that I built. I didn't even build it. I just put together the crates and stacked them on top. Super simple. This has also been my catch-all space. It's kind of bad. So I have a lot of random stuff that needs to go in the bathroom. BTS next to me every single night, you know? And I have this plant that I've been neglecting the fuck out of, so. Hi. This is a mirror that I got from IKEA. I'm hoping to find a bigger mirror at the thrift store. That's my goal. I'm trying to thrift almost everything that I can for my new space. But yeah, this one does a really good job for a small space. Highly recommend it. It's very sturdy and you can hang things off of it off the top if you want. This is my bed. Lucas luckily was very down for sleeping on the floor. Like, he was kind of hesitant, but then he's like, no, this isn't bad. We've come to a point where we miss being lifted off the ground. It's very cold. Fun fact, this room is an ice box. Futon mattresses are great for, I think, one person sleeping on it. Not so great for 2 people. It's flattened out like a pancake, and now I'm trying to figure out another option so that I don't buy like a toxic chemical mattress. Next we have this little thing that was served as a nightstand. I want this in a new spot in the next house. My old laundry hamper, I will be going back to using this because I will have a bigger closet in my other house. My capsule wardrobe. The thing that I like about this clothing rack is that it's super simple to break down into pieces and store it away if you're not using it all the time. I kind of go through phases where I like my clothes displayed as like decorative pieces, and other times I like it put away. Me and my boyfriend will be combining all of our stuff together. That's why you don't see any of his stuff in this room. He has his stuff in the other room. Lastly, I have a little wall decor. You can't really see the quotes. I'll show you another time. It doesn't even matter. And this is a crate that serves as like a desk on the floor and catches literally every single thing that I'm too lazy to put away. All right, that is it. If you guys want to stay tuned, I will take you over to my new place. This is the kind of like living room area. The kitchen, it's very similar to my last home because it's made by like the same development company. I don't know what it is about this orange color cabinets that like people love putting into homes, but the shit's ugly. I really love the windows right here because it brings in so much lighting. This is actually exactly similar to my other house, just like flipped because it's made by the same company. So we have these beautiful windows. We have finally made it to my room. Guys, I have windows again. I have big windows. I'm so excited. I get my neighbor's tree as a view. That's really all I could show you for safety reasons. I have those windows, I have this window, and I have this window. The bathroom. There's just like little things that we're very grateful for in this home, and so we hope it goes really well. I will miss this lighting wherever we move because this is gorgeous. That's my room, you guys. That is it, my friends. Nothing else to report on yet. Hopefully I can show you a completed room tour eventually. I'm figuring things out, what I want to do with my space for the year that I'm here. All right. Thank you guys so much.